February 14, 2026. Happy Valentine's Day! May surprise ako sa'yo. Eto na oh. Hindi ko ito maibigay sa'yo ng personal eh. Pero pag balik mo dito after 6 months, natago ko sa'yo. Eto na. Happy Valentine's Day! Para sa'yo, Happy Valentine's Day. Love you. Happy Valentine's Day. So, Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.